Can I just say, hindi ko alam kung anong gusto ko for lunch until I remembered meron palang Nanyang near my place. Nanyang is known for serving Singaporean and other Southeast Asian food na affordable and mabilis ang service. Talaga naman para kang nasa Singapore when you visit. Makikita mo yung butter tower na ginagamit nila sa Kaya Toast. They also make your coffee, tea, and other drinks right beside the register at di mo yan mamimiss dahil sa amoy and sa steam. Mostly self-service ang experience na parang local hawker sa Singapore. I ordered just a cheesy chicken chop noodle. I wanted the Kaya Toast pero hindi available lahat ng toast options nila. Ito lang yung madalas ko in-order. Pinapatanggal ko din yung fried shallots dahil hindi ako fan. By the look and smell, alam mo na fast food dish ito. I got this for 248 pesos. The chicken was flavorful, it was hot when served, and the skin has a very light coating kaya na-maintain yung pagka-crispy ng skin. Gusto ko to dahil sa juiciness ng chicken pero sa order ko na to, medyo overcooked and dry yung na-serve sa akin. Kaunti din yung cheese na medyo ironic kasi cheesy chicken yung pangalan nito. Yung noodles naman was perfectly cooked, hindi matigas, hindi rin mushy yung texture. I've always wondered kung instant noodles ba itong gamit nila o sadyang ganyan lang yung itsura ng egg noodles. If you noticed, medyo pale yung color kahit na hinahalo ko na and true enough, bland and parang kulang sa salt, sa soy, and sa overall flavor. Hindi naman usually ganito to, baka it's just a bad order. This was their Ayala North Exchange branch. Spacious naman and hindi busy time itong nag-visit ako. Here pala yung menu, pause it for reference. Nanyang usually gets it right. Baka this experience was just an isolated case. Overall, sakto lang yung lunch ko. It did not satisfy my craving. Hindi ko din naubos kasi hindi ko kaya. But there are so many options to choose from their menu. So I say, go na, try mo pa din.